Hello everybody, welcome to the show. This is AndreJMcClendon coming at you guys with a video about trading goals, and let's hop right into it. So guys, when you're looking at trading, and this is going to be applies to the Forex market, we're going to be looking at starting out with a $100 account. So if you're a live client, everyone starts out with a $100 account. It doesn't matter how much you start off with. It's basically how consistent you are at keeping your goals. Because remember, a $100 account, $1,000 account, all you're doing is changing the lot size. So if you're starting with a $100 account, $1,000 account, $10,000 account, $50,000 account, just change the lot size applicable to $100. So for basically every $100, it's 0.01 lots, just about. So let's continue. So guys, we're looking at getting just 10 pips. That's all you need. 10 pips, 2.5%, 10% a month. Very, very easy on this example. But remember, when it comes to trading, trader psychology, there are going to be wins and losses. There are going to be breaks where you're going to be taking time off. So remember, when it comes to your trading, make a realistic goal. And for this example, we're looking at 10%. Very easy, calculatable number, okay? So we're looking at 2.5%, 10 pips. That's $2.50. That's 10 pips, which is about 0.02 lots, 2 entries at 0.01. Just about, or 1 entry, a little bit bigger jump. So let's get into the next part. So when we're trading $100, how is that going to look when it comes out to the month? Okay. So just say Monday you're trading, you make $1. You caught 10 pips on like euro dollar. But throughout the week, you got $1.25, you lost $1.50 on the trade, and you made $2. So but you look at the week, your goal was $2.50, but you actually made more than that. So Friday you demoed because you just want to practice. You want to keep up your skills. Always keep practicing. You're always a student. So in this example, when you're demoing, you're actually using another demo account where you're just practicing your ratios, your harmonics, whatever you're doing when it comes to trading Forex. Just keep practicing. But next week, you lost $2 on Monday. You had a very busy day on Tuesday, so you're working, so you didn't get the trade. But Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you hit your goal. Cool. Now, remember, when you're holding the trades out, you're not going to close out at your goal unless that's where that's where you plan for the trade. But when you're trading, if the trade exceeds it and you're carrying your trade, you can just move your stop above your entry and lock in that goal amount. And if the market retraces back, at least you hit your target for the week or the day. All right, let's continue. Now, Monday lost a little bit on Tuesday, but Wednesday and Thursday you did pretty good. But you took a really big loss, which is about 3% of your account at the time, about that, and you're really, shaken up by it because you didn't follow your plan. You just jumped into the market trying to make some quick money. So next week, Monday, Tuesday, you just demo, and then you practice again. You hit your goal. Hit your actually monthly goal on the 25th. You keep trading because you're still in the trading path. You're on a good trend, and you close out 26 on the 27th. So since you took that trend trade, really big market, could have been like a pound dollar or Aussie dollar trade, and you got the really good trend. So the rest of the month you're gonna demo on Monday, Tuesday for the 30th and 31st. So that 25th level, if it was a normal trade and it wasn't like a trend trade that you got onto, then you would be done trading. For the rest of the month, you're going to be demoing. Now, if you hit your goal a lot faster than this example here, then you can demo for a few days and evaluate that you're hitting your goal too fast and the goal is actually just too easy. So you might need to change your goals based on your skills. Okay? So if you hit the 10% portion, let's say, 3 days in, maybe you're over trading, or maybe you're doing you hit your goal too easy. So change your plan. So make this tailored towards you or your mentor or whatever plan you're getting on. But here, since you got on that trend trade on the 25th, 26th, and 27th, and made those gains, you're done for the month. Okay. So you got your $100 account to $115.85. The goal is 10% a month. You got 15%. It's about almost 6%. So you beat your goal. Remember, guys, Don't put like a 500% goal. Just make sure your goals are within your skills, within your range. Okay. So what does 10% look like a month? Because that's really a lot. It's really, really good, especially trading Forex. So when you look at it from start of the month, typically this should see how it looks. Now you're not going to get those exact numbers. Like you're not going to be like, okay, $110, I'm going to stop. You might get 115, 109.99, or you might get around there. Just understand that this is just a calculable number that you're going to try to range, that you're going to try to hit for if your goal is 10%. And what I liked about it, in September, you just doubled your money. That's insane. You doubled your money trading Forex. Now remember, the biggest competition in trading that you have to worry about are the banks. And if you took home double your account, if you withdrew that money from that point on, it's straight profit. Now let's continue on. And the rest of the month, you might end out the year about $300. From $100 to $300. Now people are thinking like, oh, that's not a lot of money. Remember, you can change the ratios or change the amount from $100 to $1,000 or to $10,000. And with $1,000, think about it. Now you're leaving a market with $3,000 at the end of the year. It's really good. So trading goals, this would be rule 72. So how fast your money doubles. Now remember that. Rule 72, how fast your money doubles. If you're getting 10% a month, every 7.2 months your money doubles. That's really, really good. So when you guys looking at it, 2020, rule 72, we just keep on going with it, doubling. You look at it, 2020, 285, 31, and we keep going. You might you turn $100 in 2022 up to 3,000. That is crazy. And if you kept on going, you're talking about 5 figures, 6 figures, 7-figure accounts. Now, there's going to be some big drawbacks. You guys are going to withdraw. Remember that. Make that in your trading goals when you start withdrawing from your account, okay? And that's for people who want to live off of trading or pay down some bills. Remember, you're going to take some, give some. But make sure that when you guys doing your trading, that things you want to avoid, it will be unrealistic goals and profits. Now, if you're first time trading, don't expect 500%, 1,000% trading. I mean, okay, maybe one person can do that, but the norm will be you want to make sure you can get 10% or 5%. Now, what it means not to over trading is that when you're trading like a job, like you're trading like 18 hours in, or you're trading 5 hours in, just trade set amount of time that you allot for, 1 hour, 2 hours. Make your trading goal, make your trading plan, and make sure you stick to it. Now, changing goals to extremes is a little bit unrealistic, but I've seen this before. Is that when you start getting emotional, start getting into your trading a little bit too much, and you start jumping the gun and you start going for extreme amounts and you start over leveraging. Please avoid that. Stick to your plans, listen to your mentor, stay on the plan. Now guys, if you want to learn how to trade, come to my website, AndreJMcClendon.com. We have daily sessions on Sunday to Friday, going over Forex and stocks, and going over just trading. So you can learn how to trade. We got some recorded videos so you can watch outside of my YouTube channel. So guys, that's it. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you.